Welcome back to Auto Review's Garage, the place where we dive deep into the most exciting cars on the market. And today, we've got something truly special for you. Say hello to the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle Type 1. Yes, you heard that right. The Beetle is back, and it's bolder, smarter, and more nostalgic than ever. Now, before we jump into the details, let's take a second to appreciate how VW has managed to revive a legend while giving it a modern twist. The 2026 Beetle Type 1 brings back the classic shape, that familiar rounded silhouette, curved fenders, and upright windshield. But this time, it's cleaner, sleeker, and fully reimagined for the electric era. That's right, the new Beetle is fully electric, riding on Volkswagen's MEB platform, the same one used in the ID.4 and other EVs in the lineup. Pop the front trunk, or should I say, frunk, and you'll see just how Volkswagen has made this car practical without losing the charm. Step inside, and you're greeted with a perfect blend of retro and tech. The dashboard has that iconic body-colored panel, but now it houses a crisp digital display, an intuitive infotainment system, and subtle LED ambient lighting that gives it a futuristic vibe. And yes, the flower vase is back. But this time, it's a smart one, integrated with the car's air freshener system. Under the floor, you'll find a 58 kilowatt battery powering a rear-mounted motor that puts out around 210 horsepower. It may not be blisteringly fast, but it's peppy, smooth, and surprisingly fun to drive, especially with the rear-wheel drive layout, which pays tribute to the original Beetle's dynamics. Range? Expect around 250 miles on a full charge, making it more than capable for your daily drives and weekend getaways. What truly sets the 2026 Beetle apart, though, is how it makes you feel. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. It tells the world you appreciate heritage, but you're also embracing the future. With customizable paint options, throwback wheel designs, and even a convertible variant on the way, Volkswagen knows exactly how to tug at our heartstrings. So, is the 2026 Beetle Type 1 worth the hype? Absolutely. It's charming, efficient, and delivers a unique EV experience that few others can match. Let us know what you think about the new Beetle down in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Auto Review's Garage for more in-depth car reviews every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.